Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it.
Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install Sony Vegas Pro 13 for free. So all you have to do is download a link in the description box which I provided, and the file will look like this. Now open the first one, click as Run as Administrator. And install randomly. After that, disable the launch now and finish. Remember to disable your internet security or your antivirus. This is a very important step. Now open the keygen. You can also volume down the apps music. Now select your Sony Vegas Pro 13 64-bit and click on generate patch. You will see in the down how to give a patch in the default file location. No need to worry. Select the way I am selecting. Now again for shared in folder, you'll get the best patch ever in the discovered ever. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, now it will take some moment to install the patch. After that, it will automatically launch the app which is already cracked. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe my new channel and also like this video.